Hello guys, welcome to my channel again and happy Sunday. So today I'll teach you how to fix an invisible zip using 4 easy tricks. If you follow these 4 tricks, it's going to help you fix your zipper this perfect. Yeah. So this is my kaftan. I've sewn one side and I've left the side where I want to fix my invisible zipper on, and there is no space, there's no particular place for that. You can either put it on the right or on the left. So in my own case, I'm putting it on the left. All right. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to fix an invisible zipper using 4 tricks, right? And the aim is so that it should look as if it is sewn and there is no zip there. That is the aim of this tutorial, to show you how to fix it as if it is sewn, like the right side. All right. So the first trick, this is the first trick, and you can overlook this, but then it is important. So as we are going, the trick becomes more important. So the last trick is very, very important than this one. So the first trick now is that make sure you fold the up by 1/2 inch. Remember, when you have cutting your native, you leave 1/2 inch at the top, at the shoulder. So that 1/2 inch, you should fold it like this. The same way on this side, fold the 1/2 inch. So this is the number 1 trick. All right. Because if you don't fold it like this, if you don't define what you are going to use as your sewing allowance when you are fixing the zip, you leave it to chance. You can either use more than half or less than half, and that will make your zipper not to balance well. So the first trick is fold the shoulders by 1/2, as you can see. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, before we continue, please do. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. So let's go to the machine. All right, so I've already folded my 1/2 inch on both back and front pattern. All right, so the next okay, as you can see, this is how it's going to stay, like this, and at the end of the day, it's going to look as if it's sewn. There's no zipper below it. So the second very important trick is that you should get a zipper that is way longer than the shoulder. You can see, then you leave a long part at the front and a long part at the back. So the first thing you're going to do is to sew the tip. That means you're joining the zipper to the body of the cloth, first of all. So this is the second trick. Make sure you use a longer zipper. So as you can see, I've sewn I've sewn the tip, but then there's still space, and that is fine. Then you sew it to the back part again. You sew just the tip of the back part. Like that. So guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any tutorial request you want me to do, don't forget to request it on the comment section of this video, and I will look into it. This tutorial was requested by one of my subscribers, and here I am. So as you can see, I've left a space, and you can see by the time you bend your 1/2 inch, you see it came back to the exact point you want it to be. So that is number 1 trick. The number 2 trick, let me remind you, is get a longer zip that is way longer than the shoulder. So we are heading to the number 3 trick now. So you are going to change your presser foot. This thing is called a presser foot. It is called a half presser foot. That is what we are using to fix our zipper. So you are going to tighten it back. So guys, like as I was saying, please subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and request whenever you need a new video on my comment section, and I will look into it, and let's do it. All right, so this is the third trick, the very very important one of the very very important tricks that you can't do without if you have to get a very clean zipper, right? So when you open it, you see there's a line there. Now on that line, you're going to sew just behind the line, not on the line. If you sew on the line, you're going to have troubles when you want to close or open your zip. So you sew just behind the line, a little bit behind the line. All right, that is the third trick. It is very very important that you do follow this third trick. You can ignore the first one. You can buy a shorter zip for the second trick and you get away with it. But if you ignore this third and the fourth trick, you are not going to get a very clean zip, invisible zipper. So you follow just behind the line like I'm doing, and there's an indication to show you that you've gotten it right, and I'm going to show you just now. So this is, if you open it now, as you can see, it doesn't show as if there's a sewing there, but if you open it, you see it. If you close it, you won't see it. So if you've gotten it right, this is how it will look. When you open the zip, you see your sewing allowance like this. Sorry, when you open the zip, you see your stitches that you've sewn. When you close it, you won't see the stitch. If it's like this, then you are right. So the same thing here. You open it and sew behind the line. And then when you are done, you confirm. How can you confirm? You open it, you see your stitch. When you close it, you won't see your stitch. If it's like that, then you are right. So we are sewing the last one now. Sorry, I'm using my hand to cut thread, which is a very very bad practice. So you can see, I can't see it, but when I open it, I can see it. So that is how to know if you are right or not. So let's close our zipper to see how it looks. You can see how it is. You can see they're still showing, my zip is still showing. So on the last trick is going to help me close up that space that is still showing. That is why I said the last trick is very important. And you can see that my neck matches. All right, so that's it. You can see that the zipper is still showing a little bit. Now the last trick is going to help you close up that space, that little space there. So guys, if you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment on this video, and I'll be there always to reply. So the next thing I'm going to do is, of course, to just fold the excess zipper and sew it. That is all. So let's get to the final and most important trick. As you can see, I've already done the trick here. You can see it's not showing at all. It's as if it is sewn, right? So here's the final trick. Make sure you close up the place manually and sew it at the end there. So you can see it closes by itself. That is the final trick. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.